One of Ukraine's most effective weapons is their drone army, being able to take out thousands of equipment and ammunition with troops. One of the most disruptive countermeasures to these are electronic warfare equipment. But as the conflict drags on, Russia's losses within electronic warfare are rising, while not replenishing with new ones. When Russia's equipment doesn't do its job, as this Ukrainian drone could spot and call in a strike on this R-330Zh Zhitel Electronic warfare equipment, the end result is often another lost equipment of limited stocks. As the first Excalibur round airbursts perfectly onto the Zhitel's position, it's most likely already destroyed. But due to the high value target, Ukrainians fire off a second strike, hitting possibly even better on the second strike, as the fragile parts doesn't stand a chance against the fragmentation, blast and heat effect on such a close hit, taking out another of Russia's electronic warfare system, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.